In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause search history on YouTube. Maybe you don't want YouTube to be collecting your search data and you decided to pause your search history on YouTube. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your YouTube homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Continue to tap on manage your Google account. Allow it a moment to finish loading. This will land you onto an interface like this. Proceed to select on data and privacy. On this interface, scroll down until you locate history. Under history, you see a list of menus here. Swipe right and you will see YouTube watch and search history. Continue to tap on it. On this interface, continue to tap on saving your YouTube history. So you land onto an interface like this. In order to pause your YouTube search history, all you have to do is to locate the YouTube history, and under it you see turn off, and make sure you turn off this, and that's it. You have successfully paused your YouTube search history. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.